Hi guys, it's Kelly, and right now I'm doing a prom makeup tutorial. I'm obviously not going to prom, I'm just a little freshman, but I'm sure some of you guys are, so I thought this would be helpful in case you're not sure what makeup to wear for prom. And if you recreate this, be sure to DM me on Instagram or post it on Twitter and tag me so I can see it, because I really want to see it. And if you like this video at any point, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday for now. That might change, but I'm trying to post twice a week. Let's get started with the video. So that is it for the makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I want to get 1,000 likes if we can. And subscribe if you're not already. And you can click the notification button to get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!